I was unable to walk very long. I could not get up and out of chairs. I couldn't bend my knee, my knee without severe stabbing pain. I was very depressed. I felt hopeless, and the thought of going through the rest of my life in significant pain was terrifying. I finally got to a point where I could not drive for more than 5 minutes at a time. I couldn't walk, I couldn't bend my knee.
This is one kind of unusual presentation of a condition called piriformis syndrome. Piriformis syndrome is compression of the sciatic nerve in the posterior buttock area in the deep gluteal space. But usually that condition causes at least buttock pain, and most commonly pain that radiates down the back of the thigh. There are some atypical presentations of piriformis syndrome, and this is one of them, where the patient will present with just severe pain in the back of the knee.
I can drive, I can walk, I am pain-free. I feel physically better than I did not only prior to the auto accident, but prior to the knee replacement. So immediately following surgery, the next day, the pain was gone. I feel like Dr. Tollestrup is a miracle worker, and I am incredibly grateful. I recently lost my husband, and so I dreaded the thought of going through life alone in this severely impaired situation. So it gave me, after surgery, a lot of hope for the future, but immediate relief of the pain.